Back with another video. Today we will be looking at the A3 report generator tool. So if you're familiar with an A3, it's pretty much the size of a sheet of paper to help you analyze a problem. And so what we did here is created a tool to pretty much get you ahead of the manual work that you would have to do, and just set up the document in that way. If you want to do it manually still, that way you can come in here and input into each one of the areas. I know traditionally that you would input an image in here for the root cause analysis section, but we did have that as a text field, but we can also add the ability for an image in the future. But we do have the report guide, how to actually use it. And then if you want a full guide, you can come in here and select that. But just to give you an example, if we want to, let's use one of the examples that we had in the previous video. So we can say our supplier on time delivery dropped from 95% to 85%. And we can click generate report. This will prompt you to save it. So as you can see here, and you can stretch out to see the full text, but this has been generated for us. So we have the background. On-time delivery performance is critical for maintaining production schedules, minimizing disruptions, and ensuring customer satisfaction. A decline in OTD can lead to increased costs, production delays, and potential loss of business. So it gives us the background. Then we give the current condition. The supplier on-time delivery score has decreased from 95% to 85% in the last, and we can come in here and specify that ourselves. So if you see here, we can say, let's remove that and say in the last let's remove that and say in the last quarter. Oh, I keep removing this. For some reason, this is not properly editing. Let's just say in Q3. And so you can see the update has been made here. And then we can have, these are all automatically generated. And so you can come in here and you can have the specific root cause analysis as well. And so you can export this as either Word or PDF, and that will allow you to be able to visualize this.